Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 man. We got a Yamaha here drive. 2016 fuel injection. Look at that. We got the Duke Blue Devil wheels, paint job. Duked out, baby.
Dookie.
Old Dookie here. All right, man. Well, the problem we're having is when you turn the key on, hit the gas. It's flashing the code. 1, 1, 2. All right, code 12. What code 12 means is that the crankshaft position sensor is not sending the signal to the ECU to tell the coil when to fire. And actually, it's right, man, because if you look at it, the coil is not firing. Now, I noticed, Travis, come here for a second. I noticed what I could do if I unplug that ground wire right there. Unplug that, Travis. Unplug the ground wire. All right, now I'm gonna plug it back in. All right, I turn the key on and watch it now. All right, do it again. I might miss the time. If you're watching now, it sparks one time. Do it again. You got it. But it sparked one time. And it started giving me flashbacks of the Easy Go golf cart when they did it on the Robbins engine. But you can test your crankshaft position sensor is under the fan cover. You can see the harness here. My finger, my hand in there. The harness is right here. It runs back here behind the flywheel where the fan's at. Now you can, on this one here, I got no reading with I'm putting on ohms on resistance, and you should get some resistance on it. I think it's 0.9 to 1.1 resistance. Mine's reading nothing. I don't even read. But let me, while I got you here, let me show you how to read it on the resistor thing. Give me a second, let me set the phone up. All right, look right here. I'm gonna unplug it. Little tab you push in there. I'm gonna put my voltmeter on resistance. I'm gonna put it to the horseshoe looking thing here. Little horseshoe looking thing, and I'm gonna push my button to change my select until the horseshoe shows. You can see right there, this is my good luck charm. What we're gonna do is we're gonna test it now. We're gonna test it, see if we get resistance on it. Let me get this set back up here and I'll pull it back up where you can see it. You got your white wire and your black wire. And what I'm gonna do is put the black in the black. Like this. Put my voltmeter like this. Put my black in the black, white in the white. And you can see I get nothing. I'm gonna knock the voltmeter out of the way as you can see now. So I'm gonna take it like this here. Put the black in the black, white in the white, and your meter should show you 0.9 to 1.1, 1.4, somewhere in there. As long as you get some resistance, man, you should be good. Because it really depends on the temperature outside. If it's cold outside, I mean, or hot outside, there's so much variance in it. But I'm getting nothing on this one here. Let me put this in there and I'll show you here. But this is my second video I have, man. The other one is another code. That's a 44 code. Just go to my downloads and you'll see Yamaha folder. And I got a bunch of Yamaha videos in there. We don't get that many of them here, man. We work on them, but we don't get that many of them. But you can see now, I have it hooked like that inside the wires. Move my hand out the way you can see. Have it hooked inside the wires, and it's reading nothing, which tells me that the crankshaft position sensor is bad. Now, that's the easy part. The hard part is going to be getting to it. You got to have a flywheel You got to have a flywheel pull to pull the flywheel off. Nothing special, man. Some people, you can go to the parts store and buy one. Nothing fancy. But only thing bad about it though is I already took the air box off. Now I have to take the cover off here. What I'm gonna try to do is get in here. I'm gonna unbolt this, take this off without taking the engine out. All right, that's what I'm gonna do. That can be my goal. Now I might have to loosen the motor from the bottom, but I'm gonna try to change it. Not that bad of a job, man. Parts about $100. You wasted about 7 minutes on YouTube watching my channel. It's worth it, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's push it out, man. Let's help everybody save some money, man. That's the purpose of it. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'll post more. I post videos twice a week, Mondays and Saturdays. If you see anything you need that I don't have, tell me and I'll post it. Stay tuned, man. Hey, hey, hey.